So today it's extra cold.
The weather's gone as far as to do a little bit of this action here. So today we're working on the Model 23. Paint, check. Ancient rusty engine, check. Homemade custom wooden cart, check.
This is gonna be a short one today. We're just painting this thing up, making it look good.
I still need to get an air filter for it and an actual gas tank, but gas tanks are like $100 a piece, so I'm looking on like local classifieds and stuff to see if I can find anyone that's selling an engine that has a gas tank and air filter on it that I can rob. So far, nothing under like $300, and I can't spend that much. I have chosen navy blue for, you know, the whole main body and everything, and then white for the starter cup and the flywheel. Say hi to my friend for me. That's like a 10-inch flywheel. Go get a ruler right now and see how much 10 inches is. It's bigger than you think, especially when it's a circle. It's the painting tarp. Ah yes, quality taping job.
Day 2.
Thank you. Yep, it's day 2, doing another coat. So I've decided that for something different, I'm gonna take the white spray paint, I'm gonna spray some on the cap, then I'm gonna use a paintbrush and I'm gonna paint these lines and this letter here white. We'll see how that goes. If it doesn't turn out, I can just paint over it. Whatever, try it. Oh, let's go there. Back up a little bit.
Well, okay, it's not the worst thing in the world, but I'm no artist, so anyway, this is turning out a little better than it was before. I think I'm gonna do one more coat real quick and then we can start reassembling. Alright, so we got the painting done so far, I think, and it turned out pretty good considering that I spent like 5 minutes cleaning it up before painting. So I think it's time for reassembly. I just went up and picked up some more fuel line because the old line was leaking somehow. I don't even know how that happened. Whatever, let's put this one on. It's getting too small, is it? Once again, I apologize for the absolute catastrophe it is in here. But anyway, I fixed the problems we were having with the gas leaking. The footage of me putting on the new fuel line got deleted for some reason, so whatever. But it doesn't like just dump gas out of there anymore, so I'm gonna say that's good. Everything else is put back together, now we can put it on that cart. Just really quick though, I wanted to ask you guys a couple questions. I have here a Briggs Model NPR6 and a Briggs Model A. If you guys have some information on these two engines, that would be greatly appreciated. Like, what's their value, like, what years were they made, some information just like that, you know? That would be really nice if you guys could help me out with some of that information, because I want to restore both of these too, get them running, and probably sell them and make some money. From what I heard, the Model A is worth a lot, but you guys correct me if I'm wrong. Well, that's done. So let's take it outside and fire it up. Guys, I sincerely hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to help me out on future projects. With that being said, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Well, this isn't working at all.
Should I go inside?
Yes.
No, I shouldn't go inside.
Yes, you should.
No, I shouldn't. Why would I go inside? That's boring.
But it's cold outside. Inside is warmer.
Yeah, it's really cold outside. Inside is warmer. So?
So go inside.
No.